All right, this is take one for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 and Flip4.
Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and Fold4 turn folding glass from novelty to icon. They change how you experience the world. Let's start with Galaxy Z Flip4, our most compact flip yet.
Does that feel all right?
That felt like maybe too whispery.
Nope. Sounds good, man. Let's keep moving.
All right.
Slimmer than ever, Flip's matte haze glass finish comes in 4 stunning colours. Eye-catching from this angle, that angle, every angle. The Pocketability.
It's one word. Pocketability.
Pocketability. What's Pocketability? Got it.
If you like it glossy, pick from 75 bespoke edition colour combinations. The cover screen is designed to keep up with your life. Open it, and a whole new world of self-expression unfolds with FlexCam.
Let's cut for a second.
Are you familiar with FlexCam?
Yeah, of course. I love FlexCam. FlexCam is nice. No, sorry, what was it again?
Let me just show you, maybe it'll help your read. FlexCam gives you the freedom to express yourself, from video calls to videos to selfies, even from the cover screen. All hands-free.
Okay, thanks.
All right, moving on.
Preview your selfie and include your whole crew hands-free. Shot after shot after shot. Even Instagram is optimized for FlexCam. Capture life from new perspectives. Up high, good boy. Down low, and action.
Okay, great. We can take 5 here.
Up high, down low, and action.
Okay, let's get back to work.
Every angle is your best angle with FlexCam. You can even toggle between screens to suit your view. Flip's upgraded battery powers you through every moment. And with FlexCam, don't worry about shaky videos at night. Z Flip4 is the ultimate smartphone for self-expression. Say hello to Z Fold4, the productivity powerhouse. The thinnest fold yet, with a wider cover screen.
This feels great.
Go ahead.
Unfold it if you want.
Okay.
Open it, and you're in 7.6 inches of endless viewing with a less visible UDC. You can truly get lost.
Alex.
This is so cool.
Okay, yeah, let's go again.
The large screen gives you a leg up while gaming.
Hey, did you get the link I sent?
Hold on, let me check.
With the new taskbar, switch seamlessly between apps. Or a single tap opens 2 at once.
Looks amazing.
Can we fly to Rome on this tour?
Let me see which flight they've got for Rome. I got it.
Multitasking has never been so fast. From full screen to flex mode, apps flex. On a video call, S Pen lets you take notes. And an IPX8 rating lets you take spills. Ultra-thin glass in...
Hey, hold on. You skipped over the processor part. Our whole new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform.
Snapdragon. Okay, Snapdragon.
It means fast.
Fast. Okay, cool.
Let's
cool.
move on to the next part.
Ultra-thin glass inside, aircraft-grade strength armor aluminium frames, and exclusive Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus outside. These are our toughest foldables ever. Accomplish more than you ever thought possible with Z Fold4. Unfold a new world of self-expression with Z Flip4.
Good job. That's a wrap.
Cool.
Thanks.
I'll just take these home. No? Okay.